So this one is a newer version, and this one is a car cum windmill. You see, this is the front of the car, and this is the windmill. Okay, these kids have done a very nice job of making this. So this is like a trolley, 4 wheels, and then we have robotics machine. So one side is the windmill over here, and the other side it is basically driving this trolley over here through this system. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to witness the test run of this. So see. So who has made this?
We, the mechanic kids. We, the robotics kids.
So it is made by both mechanics and robotic kids. Great work.
And good job.